Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Pilot EXL. This vehicle will come equipped with LED daytime running lights. You'll have keyless entry as well as remote start. You'll have the memory settings for the 10-way power seat, which includes lumbar support. You'll have steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls, cycle through your media sources. You also have the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes the adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, as well as road departure mitigation and forward collision braking system. You will have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll be able to Bluetooth your phone in and other devices for music. XM radio, dual climate control, heated seats in the front. You'll have a USB and power port. You'll also have additional USB and power port in the center console. Sunroof, place to store your sunglasses with the built-in mirror. You'll also have the home link buttons for a garage door opener. You'll have rear climate control as well as power ports. You'll have easy access into the third row with the push of a button. The seats will slide forward. You'll have air conditioned vent here in the back on either side. All-weather floor mat. You also have the built-in sunshade. Capless fuel filler. Power tailgate. Camera with 3 different views. You'll have the easy stowing seats. Pull the cable and it'll drop it on forward. And to pick it back up is easy as reverse. You'll have a storage compartment down here. The tool set will be behind that door, and the spare tire will drop from behind that door. Push button close. This is the 2019 Honda Pilot EXL here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.